If you want to use QuickShare in order to transfer files on a Nothing Phone 4a or for a Pro, it is actually pretty straightforward. So of course we can use apps like Gallery or the Files app by Google in order to first find files that you want to transfer, and then we can use the share button in order to find QuickShare. So let's say if I open the gallery and if I choose this photo over here, I can just use the share button that we have at the bottom of the screen, and then in here we have the QuickShare option. You might also immediately see devices found by QuickShare if you have the QuickShare enabled. So you can go over here and then you should be able to select the device to which you want to send your files. Of course, we can also generate a QR code that can be scanned on another device in order to receive files without having to wait for it on the list on nearby devices before it appears. Of course, we don't have to wait for it to appear. You can also find your devices, which is based on the Google account. So if there's like a nearby device that uses the same Google account as yours, then you should be able to easily find your phone in here. Besides that, another way to, of course, transfer files is by going to QuickShare first, and then we can select files. So if you go to the Control Center or Quick Settings, then over there you should be able to find the QuickShare option. And then we can go to Send over here, and then we have this section, Select Files to Share, so we can tap on Select button. Then you can choose files that you wish to transfer, so let's say I'm just gonna choose these two over here, and we're gonna tap on Select. And then we should be able to, once again, find the device to which we want to send files. Now, of course, it is important that the other device is visible. If you have access to that other device, or if it's like your friend that is waiting for files to be sent to them, you can tell them to go to Settings, and usually in Connected Devices, you can find Connection Preferences, and there is QuickShare. And it is important to set the visibility to for example, to everyone. Sometimes it works with contacts if you have your friend saved in contacts on your Google account, but if not, then of course they can set to everyone or everyone for 30 minutes to ensure that they are visible, or they can open QuickShare as well. And in QuickShare, if they stay on this Receive tab on this menu, then their visibility is set to everyone temporarily, as long as they stay over here. That's how we can send files via QuickShare. Leave a like and subscribe.